Lavender. It smells so good. The purple flowers are pretty too. Lavender is a plant. People love to have it in their gardens. Lavender is useful too. It can be used to make things smell nice. It can also be used in medicines. Lavender is very special. Lavender is calming. It can help you relax. Many people like to use lavender before bedtime.
Lavender grows wild in some places. It likes rocky and sunny places. The Mediterranean region is where it grows the most. Many countries grow lavender. France, Bulgaria, and Italy grow a lot of lavender. They use it to make essential oils. The United States grows lavender too.
Lavender is good for you. It can be used to help with sleep problems. It can also help with anxiety, depression, mood swings, dizziness, and fainting. Some people use it to help with headaches by rubbing the oil on their temples or mixing it with cinnamon in a tea to soothe the mind for studying and retaining more information. Pharmaceutical companies use lavender for medicine for skin rashes. They use it to make medicines like sleep aids. These medicines can help with the same things. They can help you sleep, relax, and feel better.
Section 4. Lavender's chemical composition, oils, vitamins, and minerals. Lavender contains essential oils like linalool, linylyl acetate, and camphor. These oils make it smell nice and have therapeutic properties. They contribute to lavender's calming and healing effects. Lavender has vitamins A, C, and K. Vitamins are important for your body. Lavender also has minerals. Minerals are important for your body too.
Section 5. Lavender's versatility. From cosmetics to cuisine. Lavender is used in many different products. It is used in soaps and lotions. It is also used in perfumes and candles.
Lavender can be eaten too. It can be used to flavor foods. Lavender tea is a popular drink. Lavender ice cream is delicious.
Section 6. Lavender's spiritual essence. A journey through cultures and history. Associated with the planet, Mercury, and astrological signs, Gemini and Virgo, lavender has been used for a long time. Ancient cultures used it for many things. They used it in religious ceremonies. Lavender is thought to have magical powers. Some people believe it can bring good luck. Others believe it can ward off evil spirits.
Section 7. Conclusion. Lavender's enduring legacy. Lavender is a wonderful plant. It is beautiful and smells amazing, but it is also useful. Lavender has been used for centuries. It is used in medicine, cosmetics, and food. Lavender is a gift from nature.